Hello everyone, welcome to a new crypto related video in this your channel Digitalpreneur World. Polyg here, and today we're going to explore what is Polygon, why is it important for the future, and how can we all benefit from entering the market now. First of all, we need to explore what is Polygon, where did it get started, and what is it all about. So let's go ahead and first check Ethereum. So some of us are acquainted with Ethereum, and we all know what are Ethereum's problems. And the reason why I'm mentioning Ethereum right now is because Polygon comes into place, bringing all of the solutions to Ethereum's main challenges. So first of all, let's look at Ethereum's main challenges. So the first challenge that Ethereum has is low throughput. And this means that there are a bunch of transactions, I think about 30 transactions per second that are taking place in the Ethereum blockchain at the moment. And with this high amount of transactions per second, so TPS, there is a really high gas fees. And we have all experienced that. I have experienced it firsthand, and it blew my mind away how expensive it was to use the blockchain, Ethereum's blockchain. All right, so that is the first challenge. So actually the second challenge is the one that I just mentioned. Since it has so many transactions per second, it gets really expensive, so it is not user-friendly, zero user-friendly. And the third challenge that Ethereum has been running into is that it's very limited for developers. And let's just think about this. Developers run into all of these challenges. So it is very expensive, it is very slow, and it is limited. So those are the main challenges. And then it comes to the question, what if there was another blockchain that could improve everything, that could build on top of Ethereum and then just improve it while keeping their security and their awesome features that they do have? And the answer is that it exists now, and it is called Polygon. So let's go ahead and explore Polygon. So Polygon is a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum compatible blockchain networks, aggregating scalable solutions on Ethereum, supporting a multi-chain Ethereum ecosystem. So this is great, you guys. So this is it's actually built on layer 2 of Ethereum, and it has so many amazing features that I'm just in love with this project. Okay, so let's continue exploring. The history of Polygon, they started in I believe 2017, and here we have the 4 co-founders. And what they did basically was they were just tired of all of Ethereum challenges that I just mentioned, and they decided to set on a journey to improve this, to make the blockchain better, and to build something more sustainable for the future. Okay, so here they are. I believe 3 of them are from India. And then let's check out their vision. So their vision is, they envision a borderless world, an open world in which people can make transactions freely with low cost on the transaction on the consumer ends, without gatekeepers, without intermediaries. So basically a decentralized world that we are already living in, the crypto world, but improving all of those challenges and overcoming these challenges that I just mentioned earlier. So in other words, Polygon is a layer 2 scaling platform for Ethereum that fixes all of those low throughput and slow speed and high gas fees. So this is amazing, and it's great news for us. Polygon's main focus is to increase the usage of DeFi tools and apps by connecting blockchains together. All right, let me just say that again. Polygon's main focus is to increase the usage of DeFi tools and apps by connecting different blockchains together. And as of today, Polygon has over 300 dApps, and many more keep migrating from ETH to Polygon. So this is amazing news for all of us who hold MATIC. Full disclosure, I do have a MATIC in my portfolio, and it definitely is one of these tokens that I'm keeping an eye on. This is not financial advice, not at all. This is just my personal opinion, and I'm sharing with you guys what might be a good opportunity to invest. All right, guys, so now let's talk about a little bit of tokenomics. So here we have a Polygon MATIC open in our coin market cap, and we can see that right now there is a 15 billion market cap. I believe out of this 15 billion, there are about 6.8 billion on circulation right now. We have the fully diluted market, the volume, and yes, about 70%. All right, great. So let's take a look at the last month. We're just seeing this all over the market. We keep seeing the same patterns, so this does not worry me at all. If we look at the yearly, we see that there has been some fluctuation, but as I said, I am not worried about this. I believe in this project. I believe that Polygon is definitely the layer 2 scaling solution that Ethereum needed in order to continue growing. So here we have it, and then now let's take a look at some news. And not only news, I am going to show you guys why I think Polygon and MATIC is one of the best token investments right now. So now let's talk about this news and the reason why I believe Polygon is entering on one of the best moments of their history, and this is just getting started. So the first news that we had released a couple weeks ago was that the NFL now has a partnership with Polygon and Ticketmaster. So as we all know, all of NFL tickets have been sold through Ticketmaster for a long time, but now they are actually getting started with this whole NFT world, the crypto world, and they actually, for the rest of the season, they are selling their NFT tickets as collectibles, NFT collectibles on Polygon. So this is huge, you guys. For all of you who are NFL fans and lovers, this is going to be amazing. And remember, NFTs are non-fungible tokens, and turning these tickets into collectibles is just such a genius idea. I love this, and I think this is just the beginning before we see, not only the NFL, but all other, sports and different brands going into the NFT market. Okay. Let's move into the next big news that we have, and that is, it is not official yet, but Coinbase, it is said that is going to be using Polygon's Ethereum scaling solution to reduce prices. So let's just remember that Coinbase is one of the biggest exchanges, especially in the US, and for them to be using Polygon's layer 2 solution is huge. And they're not only them, but I believe that Polygon in the last couple months has closed some really important partnerships. All right, and the last reason why I believe that Polygon is such a great investment right now, it's because of all of the metaverses that are being created on Polygon blockchain right now. I mean, not a lot of people are talking about the blockchain where all of these metaverses are taking place, and a lot of people, including myself, are all hyped and crazy about metaverse because I love the idea. But what we are not looking is at the behind the scenes, and in the behind the scenes we see all of these big names are being built, all the metaverses are being built on Polygon blockchain. So this is huge, and this is just something else that tells me, hey, keep an eye on this, because all of these projects are being built on Polygon. So definitely the project is going to grow, and it's going to just be very profitable. Okay guys, so I am absolutely in love with this project. I am in love with this token. I believe completely in this project, and every day I keep researching and I keep finding more news and more reasons why I should be investing on this token right now. So if you guys really like this, please do your own research. Remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, and if you like it, go for it. If you have money to invest, go for it. And remember, never invest more money than what you're willing to lose. And of course, if you like this video, if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment with any questions, with any comments, with any other info that might be helpful to the community. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next time, so long.